The WWE Universe just exploded!
The following contest is a Tornado Tag Team match. Introducing first, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing in at 232 pounds, Chris Jericho.
And guys, this looks to be a match with major implications here in WWE. Could change the entire landscape here.
The competition level has never been higher, but this guy's ready to prove he can hang.
Here comes
And his
the
partner,
Olympic
from
gold
Pittsburgh,
medalist!
Pennsylvania, weighing in at 237 pounds.
Made the transition from Olympic wrestling to WWE smoother than any.
Yeah, now we're talking.
And from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing in at 285 pounds, Tessa!
I won't... Oh yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
And from parts unknown, weighing in at 300 pounds, Kane!
And it's time for Kane, ladies and gentlemen.
All 7 feet of him, Cole.
And we have a Tornado Tag Team match. Here's what that means. Everyone is legal and no tags are necessary.
What it means is we are all in for a hell of a brawl here.
Ow! Foot meet back. Oh, shin breaker.
And a stop to the gut, too.
Down for the pin. There's 2. Chins out before 3.
Really caught him off guard going for it at this point. In a no disqualification match, you never want to be the superstar on the wrong end of a chair or a kendo stick, or whatever else might be hiding under the ring. You want to be the one inflicting that punishment because that's how you control the pace and the match as a whole.
Right around into a neck breaker.
Ooh, goes tumbling to the outside. And it has got to be demoralizing just being tossed outside the ring like that.
Oh, they can worry about their feelings later. Right now, they're making sure every bone's still in place. And now with the kendo stick in hand, he's ready to do some real damage.
Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
And here comes an old faithful. The steel chair is in hand.
He's no longer looking at his best.
And he is directed into the corner.
And saw what was coming there.
Saw it coming and slowed it down with the back elbow. Kurt Angle sending a clear message here.
He quickly slides into the ring.
Uh-oh. Thunderous powerbomb. Picture-perfect example for when you just want to put someone down with authority.
Taking this thing out onto the floor now.
And when he's got that chair, you know he wants to send a serious message.
He can do it here. Saving his team from defeat.
Vicious, downright savage club right there. Spine buster.
He's making his way to ringside now.
The universal signal for extreme. The kendo stick has entered the fray.
Looks like that really got him there.
This is certainly an effective use of a foreign object.
Good Lord, what a shot. Someone's got to get control of this thing.
Just relentless. We should probably, we should probably go.
And he throws the opposition back into the ring.
Uh-oh, guys.
We should probably take a step back here.
Oh, man.
Here we go, cleaning up the announce table.
We know what's coming next.
This match is getting more chaotic by the second.
He's heading to the top turnbuckle.
Headbutt sends him crashing to the floor.
Heads outside the ring.
And no countouts means he can take his time.
Sent into the stairs. That'll stop anybody.
Uh-oh.
Evasive maneuvering there.
Slam! Ooh, an arm breaker.
Making the arm numb makes your opponent very vulnerable.
He even put through the ringer tonight.
Good measure.
He is locked in and it has his opponent dead to rights. Taking flight through the air and connects.
Coming down on their opponent like a sack of bricks.
Uh-oh. Flapjack. Way up there. Looking to take it to the air now.
Lift off. Whoa, look out. Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there.
Oh, with authority. And now he gets back into the ring. What are they going to do here? Oh, look at the power. Look at the strength.
Down we go. Gonna take an Olympic effort to recover.
2, 3, no! 2 count.
I can't believe that kick out, gentlemen. Somehow Kurt Angle is still alive.
Such heart being shown by Angle here tonight.
And there needs to be a... He might have him here.
Is this it?
He kicks out at 2.
I didn't think we'd see a kick out there. Big time powerbomb.
And now the shoulders down.
This might be it.
Heading back into the ring now.
Somehow, some way, he is still in this. There's a snapmare.
On the apron. The hardest part of the ring.
Ooh. Has him up for the power slam, but instead delivers the inverted DDT.
That'll light up your chest.
Attacking the torso again, doing a little more damage.
Going for it. Trying to step through.
Roll on their belly.
Ugh, twisting the body.
And this has to be doing a major kick out.
Here are your winners, Chris Jericho and Kurt.
2 great superstars that go great together, and that win is proof.
I was barely in my seat for most of this one. This team put on a tremendous show.